And I've certainly gone back over the last 3 years and watched that group of games against them, and we've certainly left a lot of opportunities out there. When I said I think a lot of the games have been one try in it. Leinster have certainly got that one try. I think in the last 4 games we've played them, there's been one try in it. So they've been the one they've got the try.
So you're happy enough that your approach play is good enough to create chances? It's just a matter of...
It is. It's about finishing and accuracy, and we certainly, as I said, we let some opportunities go in the Ospreys game in our most recent large game. So that's certainly a big part of it, and that certainly determines the result. And we need to be better at that. I think as you've seen probably over the last period of time that we've just picked the best side, and I think that's where we're at this point in time. We just need to pick the best side, regardless of age profile or experience. We're certainly in that phase, and I think that's certainly been evident in the last, after certainly post Six Nations, that it's the best side is going to get the result regardless, and whether that's your birth certificate's an indication of how old you are. It doesn't provide you any sort of special relief. That does make you have to get picked because you're an older player. It doesn't create an excuse not to get picked as a younger player, or vice versa. So we're just out to pick the best side. I haven't much buzz this week, but certainly looking forward to it without a doubt. And I think the opportunity to play Leinster 1 week after winning the Heineken Cup, certainly a great challenge for us, and we certainly go into the match not as favourites, but certainly we go in the match with a keen anticipation of what's on offer for both sides, but more importantly what's on offer for ourselves.